Good day and welcome. I will be answering NECO 2018 Chemistry Objective Pass question 60. Which element does not exhibit allotropy? A. Carbon, B. Magnesium, C. Oxygen, D. Phosphorus, and E. Sulfur. So we are asked for the elements that do not exhibit allotropy. Now, allotropy is a phenomenon, or we can say is the ability of an element to exist in various forms but in the same physical state. Now looking at option A, which is carbon. Carbon exhibits what? Allotropy, because carbon has allotropes, and these are diamond and graphite. Although there are more allotropes of carbon, but diamond and graphite is the most typical example of the allotropes of carbon. Option B says magnesium. Now magnesium do not exhibit allotropy, so it has no allotrope. Option C says oxygen. Oxygen exhibits what? Allotropy. It has allotropes. That's the normal oxygen O2 and ozone O3. Now option D says phosphorus. Phosphorus also exhibits allotropy, and these are the white, the red, and black phosphorus. Then lastly, sulfur. Sulfur too exhibits what? Allotropy. These are the rhombic sulfur and the monoclinic sulfur and monoclinic sulfur. So all these are the what? Allotropes of sulfur. Now you see that from this description, only magnesium here do not what? Exhibit allotropy, that is, do not has allotropes. And so therefore magnesium is the answer to this question, because the question is asking us for an element that do not exhibit allotropy. So the answer to this question is option B, magnesium. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure to subscribe to our channel for more videos and past questions.